Hey everyone! Welcome back to another Windows 11 tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your computer's name and explain why it's useful. Start by opening the settings. You can do it by clicking the Start menu and selecting the settings icon. Or, for a quicker way, just press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Once you're in the settings, you'll land on the home screen. Next, look at the top right under the title. You'll see a Rename button. Click it. A new window will pop up where you can enter a new name for your computer. Type in the name you want, click Next, and then you'll be asked to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Go ahead and restart your computer. After it reboots, your computer will have the new name. Alternatively, once you're in the settings, click on System. This is where you'll find most of your important settings, including the option to change your computer's name. There's also a more complicated way to do it. In the System settings, scroll down and open the About section. In the About section, you'll see your current device name along with other system info. To change the name, just click the Rename this PC button at the top. From here, the process is the same as renaming it from the main Home section. You might be wondering why you need to know your computer's name or if it's even useful to change it. Well, it's actually the easiest way to identify your computer on a network or when you want to pair it with another device via Bluetooth. And that's it. You've successfully changed your computer's name on Windows 11, and now you know where to find it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.